today's video is going to be all about another makeup tutorial. Itong makeup tutorial to is for mga students na may online class, na mga gusto mong paganda. Yung simple lang na hindi ka mahihirapan mabigitan sa face, wala na sa bahay ka lang or sa mga employees na may work na now. Anyway, so sa video na to, gagamitin natin ay puro maybelline products only. Yes, so give this video a like button if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe ng aking channel. And let's get right into the video. Okay, so first things first. Ang gagawin natin Ang gagawin natin, syempre, wait lang. Ayun. Mag-spray muna tayo ng Evian. Evian facial spray. Para fresh ka na. So, fresh muna tayo. Spray muna tayo. Tubig lang talaga. So, para pang fresh. And tayo muna? Lip balm pala. Using the Nivea in the Peach Shine shade. This is my favorite. So, papadry lang natin and then we're going to start this makeup tutorial.
Hi, so let's begin with primer. I'm using this baby skin pore eraser. Ilalagay ko lang sa mga part na meron akong pimples and sa part na nagkakaroon ako ng pimples. Para lang ma-blurred. Yun. So let's proceed with concealer. I'm using this Fit Me concealer in the shade 20. I'm just going to put sa under eyes ko, sa center ng forehead ko, side ng lips ko, and sa under ng lips ko. And then, we're going to use the Beauty Blender to blend it everything.
It's hard for me to say you love.
Next one is, we're going to use this Maybelline lipstick in the shade Clay Crush sa cheeks ko. Dahil gusto ko ma-achieve yung pagka-nude. Ganon. And gusto ko matcha lipstick ko, syempre. Then, we're going to use this brush to blend it. So, we're going to use this curler to curl our lashes. Hindi tayo magmamaskara ngayon dahil this is just a simple look for online classes. Next, we're going to set it with this Fit Me powder in the shade 220. Next one is, we're going to use this spoolie to brush our brows. Brush, brush, brush. Yeah, ganun. Okay, next we're going to use this B-Face Duo powder. Contour to. We're just going to use the brown shade to put in our eyelids. then, the last, syempre, gamitin natin lipstick. Para sa ating bibig, syempre. There you have it!
That is all for today's video, and I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe ng aking channel, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at _Angelica Michelle. See you guys in my next video. Goodbye!